Just what in the world is affiliate marketing anyway? Stay tuned for this edition of Ask Joel Com. Hey, this is Joel. I had a question emailed to me that the person almost seemed embarrassed to ask, and honestly, you shouldn't be. I once heard Jim Edwards say, "There are no stupid questions, only stupid people who ask stupid questions." No, I don't believe that either. There are no stupid questions, so ask away. The question was, Joel, just what is affiliate marketing? Let me make it real simple. Affiliate marketing is SOPs, selling other people's stuff. That's all it really is. On one hand, you have a merchant, and that merchant can sell any type of product. It could be physical goods, it could be digital goods, it could be a membership site, it could be a subscription. So, for example, The Gap sells clothing. The Gap says if you have a website, you can sign up for our affiliate program. And what happens is you put links on your site, and if a visitor to your site clicks that link and goes to The Gap and makes a purchase, The Gap will pay you a commission on that purchase. It's that simple. So we're talking physical goods, so places like Macy's, Target, JCPenney, Amazon.com, The Gap, Old Navy, Best Buy, and the list goes on and on. There's hundreds, if not thousands, of merchants that have affiliate programs that they want you to sell their stuff, and you can earn money by selling their stuff. Then you have other sites that offer digital goods. A good place to get digital products such as ebooks and software is ClickBank.com. In fact, there's hundreds of products which you could instantly promote with a special link and then get a commission based on every sale. In fact, I'm a real big fan of selling digital products because the overhead is so low, the commissions are usually very high. For example, if you promote my ebook on ClickBank, which sells for $97, you can earn 50% commissions on each sale. So you get the picture. Then there are others that have a subscription model. For example, the Wall Street Journal or USA Today. If you sign up for their affiliate program and then a visitor to your site makes that purchase, you then earn a commission. Some membership sites and subscription-based programs actually pay monthly recurring commissions, and these are also favorites of mine. So an affiliate program is really just selling other people's stuff, and if you have a website, then you can do this and you can make money online. So I hope that answers your question. If you've got a question you'd like to ask, submit it at www.askjoelcom.com. Just find the button on the page that says Ask Joel a Question. And if you want to visit my blog, there's some fun stuff going on there as well, and that's at joelcom.com. Have a great day. Hey, don't forget to subscribe to my video channel. Just look for the subscribe button here on the page somewhere. It's either up here above my head or down here somewhere. Go ahead and click that so you can get notified of all the latest videos. See ya.